So, welcome to part 3 of branding design from A to Z. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, you are allowed to start watching them. I will link them down below in the description. If you want to understand the full branding process and also understand my design decision, you will have to watch part 1 and part 2. In part 1 we did the client brief, market research, and we created a mood board. In part 2 we finally started designing by word mapping and then sketching our logo marks. We also look at some typography. This video today of branding from A to Z, we are going to a vector drawing we've been doing in part 2. We are going to spend a lot of time in Adobe Illustrator today, so be ready to watch me design. Once again, I don't think I'm going to talk too much in those videos. I'm probably going to show you how I walk into Adobe Illustrator, but that is it. We will take our sketches that we've been doing in Adobe Fresco and from the app directly bring it to Adobe Illustrator. From there we're going to vectors design, and then we will start making our primary logo, secondary logo, brand mark, maybe brand pattern or some icons, and then we will start looking at some colors, building a color system for our branding. That's gonna be great. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into Adobe Illustrator. Let's do it. Let's not waste more time because I think the design might be long. Alright, I hope you enjoyed today's video and thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. If you like it, obviously give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to don't miss the future part of branding from A to Z. The first step of vectorizing our sketches is to go into Fresco and bring sketches from Fresco to Adobe Illustrator. So what I do is that when I am into Fresco, there is a little share button on the top of your screen. If you click on it, it asks you if you would like to send it to Illustrator. So this is exactly what I've been doing. I send it to Illustrator on desktop because you can also send it on Illustrator for iPad, and a little window open into my desktop and ask you some question about what you want to do. If you did your sketches into paper, you just have to scan that paper, take a picture with your phone, and then transfer it in Illustrator by importing an image. That's that easy. And you have some options. So you can show the preview of it, so you'll be like, oh yeah, this is what I'm going to get. And you can convert layers to object, flatten layers to a single image, or import hidden layers. I want to only convert layers to objects. I'm gonna do okay. And it's going to open a new document. Now here into a new document. So what I'm going to do is going back home. I already have a Hygge Coffee and Co. I'm going to create a new artboard, quite big honestly, just to be able to draw things on. So we can take this, we can bring it here and place it over here, and then we will draw over it or image trace it. So if I click on it, I have a couple of options that come here: mask, crop, image trace. And we're going to do image trace. So everything that I've done here is going to become vector thanks to image trace. And I'm going to do sketched art. And here we are, look at what it's done. I'm going to take some of these and see if I can change some path, because there's stuff over there that hasn't been done. Like here I missed some things. I want to make it a little bit better. Then you can do ignore what, you can snap curves to line if you like. So now that you have this, you can be like, okay, I'm done, I'm gonna expand. And now you have all of your illustration ready. Ungroup them and you can take them. Alright, so other than that, I don't think we will take those. So right now you're only going to watch my screen and see what I'm doing. When I'm done with those illustrations, we will start working with our typography and then putting them together to make our first logo. Okay guys, it took me quite a while to make a mug, sweater, a beautiful couch and a pie. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is taking our types. Settled. I really like the colors. The illustration are super cute and homey and give that gut feeling, especially the coffee. This is why I really wanted the coffee to be kind of the symbol of the Hygge Coffee and Co, and obviously the couch and the pie. So really like that. The colors have been working really well. We did our color system. We're going to always use our principal colors over there, meaning that beige and that kind of brown coffee color, and then we have accent color on our icons with these blues that give really this cold cozy feeling. Very neutral, very simple, and this edge, this Hygge texture typography give this authentic vibe. So I am satisfied about it, especially for the little time I had while filming this video. I feel this video is gonna take forever, but I really want you to see what's going on Adobe Illustrator each time. So in the next video we will actually make the mock-up. We will add those design on pictures, and then we will do some mock-ups. I have to look at what mock-ups we can do, maybe signs, coffee, mug, and all of that. And we will also do a little logo animation if we can in After Effects, and I cannot wait to film it next week to share it with you. If you like this video and you had fun and learned some stuff today, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right now to not miss part 4 of Branding from A to Z. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Until next time, take care.